Good afternoon. My name is Paula Andrea Naranjo Rodriguez. I belong to the Zurich Girardot undergraduate program in mathematics, and the teacher is Blanca Joana Torres Rodriguez. My list projects: Introduction, the expectations and hoods that we can have in various aspects. Our leads such as career, relations, personal goals, among others. They must be met as time goes by. It is important to have realistic goals and expectations. See these motives who to work and achieve what you when that is my web schools advice a good to achieve it. Hopes. I will be to finish my degree in a few years and then I will be to practice in the place where I live. I accept the goals of the Space Monitor company. It will earn much more money. I want to get on responsibilities I may worth. Be the expectations. Be the times and finish my degree in Hugh the rest of my classmates. We have done I took. I may parted with the land we will put a house. I will the car out my jobs as much possible. I do not wish to unfold. Thank you very much.